Ulaa kooraa hanqadhu namatti riiqatini afur namaa hanqadhu fayyaa jettee namaanini harka naami fuudhin nagalee fagumatti kadhaa waaqaallee yoo feete hin dhagaa manumatti nam quufaa wanqadhu achi fagottu bagadhu ufillee yoo quufaatu afaan kan kee qabadhu nama xiiffattu hanqadhu achi fagottu bagadhu ufillee yoo xiiffattu afaan.
To get more on this, we speak to Amanda Callaghan. She's a professor of invertebrate zoology at the UK's Reading University. Thanks very much for speaking to us from there. Can you tell me what stood out for you from this research?
Well, what was really interesting about this research was we were not really expecting the extent to which the plastic would go from the larva, the larva is the feeding stage in the water, into the pupa, which is the non-feeding stage, and from the pupa into the adult. So we knew that the larvae ate plastics, but we really didn't know that the plastic was going to stay in the body and go into the adult.
So how widespread do you think this issue is?